In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Todoist to-do list with Google Calendar. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to streamline your tasks and manage your time more effectively all in one place. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you want to do is open up your Todoist app. Once you're in, navigate to the Getting Started section, which is usually one of the primary projects when you begin using Todoist. This is a good starting point as it can guide you through basic functionalities if you're not fully familiar with them. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner where your profile icon is located, usually represented by your initials or photo. Click on the arrow pointing downward next to your profile to access the drop-down menu. This subsection is your gateway to various settings and options, and it's important to familiarize yourself with this, especially when you need to adjust settings or troubleshoot any issues in the future. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can personalize your Todoist experience to better suit your workflow. Within Settings, locate and select Integrations. This section is key for connecting Todoist with other apps and services, making your daily planning even more seamless. Now that you're in the Integrations section, look for the option to Add Integrations. This step is straightforward, but make sure you carefully look at all available integrations since the list can be quite extensive. Finding the right integration can significantly enhance your productivity, so don't skip exploring your options here. Underneath the available integrations, you'll see a section titled Most Popular. Click on this, as it will typically highlight apps and services that are widely used and generally robust. In this list, look for Google Calendar and select it. This integration is popular for good reason. It allows you to see your Todoist tasks as events in Google Calendar, giving you a clearer view of your schedule for the week, month, or even further out. To wrap things up, click Add after selecting Google Calendar. You may be prompted to sign into your Google account or grant permission for the integration to access your calendar. Your security is important, so ensure that you're logged into the proper account and comfortable with the permissions being granted. Once that's complete, your tasks should begin syncing right away. And there you have it. Your Todoist is now successfully synced with Google Calendar. This integration should make it much simpler to keep track of your tasks and commitments, helping you stay organized and on top of everything with ease. Thanks for watching, and make sure to let us know in the comments how this integration is helping you manage your day-to-day activities.